Hi guys, and welcome to Unity tutorial of animating through codes, making things move. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you guys straight into Unity development environment and we put one of these together. Let's do that now guys. Hi and welcome to Unity tutorial of animation by code, making things move. I'm going to start by clicking on the hierarchy and let's go to the 3D and select plane. And let's increase the size of that plane to about 40 by 1 by 40. That's fine. The next thing you do is right click again on the hierarchy area and let's select capsule. That is our capsule right there. You can just position it properly so that you can see it. Once this capsule is selected, right click on the project area and let's go to create. Select script and name it as moving. Now select the script and click on open in the inspector area, and there we go. Once your coding area is opened, right here where we have update, let's enter as follows: transform this capsule, and we then ask it to use the following method: get components, and we want this component to get transformed, and enter parentheses and semicolon. Now to get the movement working, we then need this capsule. Come right down here and let's say dot position plus equals, using the vector to get the direction and the magnitude. Let's say vector 3, open out a bracket, and we just need to enter coordinate for it. Let's say we say 0 f comma 0 f comma 1 f, and we just enter semicolon. There we go. That is it. So let's save the lines of code that we just put together. Go back to Unity. Now drag the lines of code, dump it right on top of the capsule. There we go. Now click on run. It's coming up. There we go. Look at the capsule go. So I'm going to just kind of like increase the size of the capsule a little bit. And one other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to convert this capsule to a prefab so that we can add as many as we want. I'm just going to add a couple more. There guys, and let's run the project again. It's coming up. There we go. Look at it go. But one other thing that we can do is as follows: because of the speed of that particular or of those particular capsules, let's come back to the code here. And what I'm going to use I'm going to add time.delta. You see all of this here. I'm just going to kind of like comment this out for now, and let's grab it as well, and I'm just going to declare a variable for speed, and let's put that right up here somewhere. So that is going to be public float, and speed equals, let's say 1 f. So let's come back in here. See that very speed that we've just created? We are going to, let's change this one to, I'm going to leave it, let's change this one. That is going to be speed, and that very speed we're going to multiply it by time.delta. Time. That is it right there. So make sure it is saved, and let's go back to Unity. So back in Unity, let's run it and see. So what will happen is the movement should be slower, working with the time on my system. And that is how you create your own animation using lines of codes. But if you want to view everything in full screen, all you just need to do is to click on maximize on play. There, click on that and run. There we go guys, look at that. Okay guys, let's add a bit of color to the plane itself. So I'm going to right click here and let's go to create and select material. There we go, and I'm just going to call that color or ground color. There we go, and let's make sure it's selected. Come right up here inside inspector, you see albedo. Click on albedo. I'm just going to change that to something a little bit bluish. Right, that is fine. Drag the color, drag the material, drop it on the plane. Create another one. Let's create another one and just change the color of some of the capsule around. So let's change this maybe to red. There. Agree, these capsules, they are all prefab. As you can see, actually drag it and place it here. Prefab is more or less a reusable component. Okay, that is why I converted it to prefab. And I'm going to increase the size of some of them just to make it look a little bit different. Let's make this about 4, 4 and 4, and increase this one to 3, 3, 3 and 3. Then let's add more material. So I'm going to call this color 2 and change color 2 to something yellowish. There, drag, drop it there, and that is it, guys. So I'm going to now, let's move this up a little bit. Let's run it and see how that looks like, or maybe we should just add one more and change that to color number 3 and select that, go to albedo. Let's look for, okay, maybe pink, purple, that's fine. There we go. Now change this one, and that's it. So let's run the program now. Click on run, and there we go, guys. And that's how you create moving objects using lines of codes. So with that, guys, I'm going to call it the end of this tutorial, and I'll see you guys shortly. Bye for now.